Alright, so here is what the package came in. The box itself is an absolutely normal cardboard box. Let's open this up. Okay, set aside the box. So off the bat, the first thing we see is this paper-like material. A lot of luxury brands like to package their stuff with this kind of paper on top of it. I'm not very sure what that's about, but it does add a little bit of mystery to the product. Let's set this aside. Alright, so there's three main packages right here. Let's first begin with the smallest one. The material of the envelope itself is this nice matte paper. And it opens up this way. It says Saint Laurent at the top right here, happy birthday, and then and at the bottom it says ysl.com. The material of the paper is sturdy, but it's not like card. It's still, you know, A4 printing paper kind of material, but a slightly posher version of it. Next up is a thicker envelope. It feels like there's folded paper in there. The envelope seems to be the same material as that envelope right there. The text here does feel like it's silk screened on, but I'm not 100% sure about that. Oh wow! Alright, so it seems that when you buy stuff from Saint Laurent, you have up to 30 days to send it back if you want to get it switched for something else. Interesting. On the next page is a receipt for the item. Let's just slide this receipt back in there. Fold this up. Really nice envelope though. Let's get down to the main event. Sturdy feeling box. There's the logo Saint Laurent in the front with an indentation in the form of a square, or you could think of it as like a picture frame going around the logo. There's a little bow that goes around all the way to the back like this. I wonder if I can remove it without untying the knot. Maybe not. The ribbon is made with this very interesting weave like pattern. It's rough on the hands, very non-elastic, and gives a completely different vibe from the Burberry ribbon that we saw previously. Wow, there's even a little pouch that it comes in. Pick up the pouch. Inside the box there is also a tag. It says Saint Laurent Paris, ysl.com at the bottom. You can see it right here. And on the back of the tag it says tags must remain attached for exchanges or returns. Not attached to the product. Small bag of silica gel, of course. And okay, what is this? There seems to be some kind of tag in which the brand and some control numbers are printed on. This one's printed on hard card. A card that seems to showcase the serial number of the product. A little booklet explaining that there might be an RFID tag in the product. What? A certificate of authenticity, and a little instruction guide as to how to maintain the quality of your product. I think it's a little bit intense how often the Saint Laurent logo is used. Like, it looks like I bought like 5 different Saint Laurent products, but in actual fact all of this is for just one product. Enough mucking around, let's get down to the main event. The product comes in a cloth bag that is double layered. The inside layer is white, as you can see right here, and the outside layer is black with the Saint Laurent logo printed on the front. Let's slide out the main product. Whoa, I just spit a little bit of saliva on there. Nope, that's bad. Right in the front, in a brass colored metal, is the vertical YSL logo. You can see this metal tip coming out here and here. I'm guessing this is a money clip. Let's open this up. One slip of paper in here. One slip of paper inside here for card holding. Oh my gosh, the texture on the leather looks absolutely fantastic. Wow. And the money clip in here. Damn, that's satisfying. On the right side here we see Saint Laurent Paris, but embossed below that it says made in Italy. Can you see that? It says made in Italy right there. The wallet's a really simple design. Black on one side, YSL logo on the other side, money clip on the middle, and 6 card slots. Very epic. Wow. This is exactly the kind of wallet I like. Good job. Alright, so let's take a close-up look at the details of the product. Right here we can see the YSL logo. It doesn't feel sharp at all to the skin, but visually speaking, very sharp looking logo. You can see the texture of the wallet, and right here you can see the stitching. This is what it looks like. And right here we can see what the edge of the wallet looks like. Opening up to the insides, this is what the money clip itself looks like. Ooh, it feels nice and round on this edge. Very cool. And this is what the gold foil and embossing looks like.